Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is India-China border roads, ICBRs, ICB roads. Government of India project for developing infrastructure along Sino-Indian border, constructing strategic road including bridge and tunnel. Project largely responds to Chinese infrastructure development along with the borderlands with India. May 2021, India constructing at least 177 roads, two phases of over 10,023 km, 6,228 mi, total length of along line of actual control LAC, China under Board of Infrastructure Management Fund BIMF, Ministry of Home Affairs includes 73 road, 3,323 km, 2065 mi length under ICBR Phase 1 approved 2005 and additional 104 roads, more than 6,700 km, 4,200 mi length under ICBR 2 Phase 2 approved in 2020. India has set up a Department Empowerment Committee EC headed by Ministry of Defence expedite issue resolution timely completion of ICBR infrastructure after delay, forest wildlife clearance and land acquisition, rugged terrain and limited working session to winter and rains. Scarcity construction material resulted missed deadlines past some important already completed projects include the several entities of responsible Darbuk, Shayak, Daulat, Beg Oldi Road, DSDBO, Adal, Tunnel under pass of the under construction important project include Seal Tunnel, Arunachal Pradesh Road, Gum Rail Tunnel under the Brahmaputra River in Assam. Several entities responsible constructing ICBR including Border Road, organization which hand bulk of ICBR construction work, National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, Ministry of Development North Eastern Region, MODNER, Central Public Works Department, CPW, Public Works Department, respective state and others. At least 67% road network assigned BRO falls under ICBR. By March 2021, 61 ICBR 1 road assigned BRO, connectivity of 59 road, 3,205 km, 1,991 mi, 95% of total length had been achieved. Among these 42,530 km, 950 mi have been block tapped about. Strategic infrastructure requirement. The vague heightened road of track construction road undertaken by China along Indian northern eastern frontier India constituted China Study Group CSG 1997 to study requirement of road communication along with China border for brisk movement of troops, event armed conflict and custody of the CSG identified network 73 roads called the Indo-China Border Roads ICBR developed along with the Indo-China border. The Cabinet Committee Security CCS 90,000 approved 1999 construction this road border roads organization under the Ministry of Defence. Project was to completed 2006 but deadlines was then extended 2012. Standing Committee Defence Body Legislative Oversight appraised strategic road connectivity 2018 with regard slow phase construction border roads organization stated committee. Would not be incorrect say that few years back philosophy our nation should not make roads near to border as possible. The philosophy telling today very clearly why we do not have roads. Only couple years back we suddenly decided to change philosophy and said no. We must go forward possible for going take time. Unfortunately, time cannot be compressed. Whatever we can do will take. BRO 5th report Standing Committee Defence 2018 to 19 reason such climate, geography, land acquisition, natural disaster also accounted delays. 2013 United Progress Alliance UPA government took multiple administrative decisions to speed up construction. 2017 stand up further raised profile issue with the Modi government border infrastructure along with the China border. ICBR present Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Border Infrastructure Management Authority BIMIA. In May 2022, Indian government search announced success of establishment of Border Infrastructure Management Authority BIMIA, responsible integrated development of border area including road, rail, water, power, communication infrastructure and vibrant village program improved of condition of native this area be prevent other out migration border village are considered strategic assets. ICBR are phase 1 Phase 1 or ICBR 1 project were conceived. ICBR 2 was approved 2020-21 fiscal budget. Construct additional 104 roads more than 6,700 km length. Proposal for phase 2 was first conceived 2013 with goal constructing 32 roads along with the border. Expanded version which was approved 2020. Inclusion of additional road amid India-China scrimps. Government asked all bodies speed up construction road. Additional labor was also sent to the area to assist speeding up construction. ICBR 2 covers construction several roads 18 feet wide, food tracks, border outposts, BOBs connecting several LAC patrol points, BBB border personal meeting, BBM point. 2021 Arunachal Pradesh under ICBR 2 India building 57 road, 32 helipads, 47 POPS, 12 standing camp for ITBP and many 18 feet tracks. BIMF funding and progress of constructions. ICBR infrastructure funded by Border Infrastructure and Management Fund PIMF, which provide funding of Indian border infrastructure along Bangladesh, Pakistan and China border. Spending ICBR tripled between 2016 and 2020 from 4,600 crore equivalent of 54 billion rupees or $680 million 2023, 11,800 rupees crore equivalent to 140 billion or $1.7 billion in 2023. Annual funding was follow inner 11,800 crore 2020-21, INR 8,050 crore 2019-20, inner 6,700 crore in 18-19, inner 5,450 crore in 17-18, between inner 3,300 crore to inner 4,600 crore annually from 2018-16. Due to significantly increased annual funding, ICBR construction picked up phase after 2014. Road length construction completed 4,764 km road during 14-20 versus 3,610 km during 2018-2014. Mountain formation cutting completed 470 km during 2017-2020 versus 230 km during 2018 and 2017. Surface clearing completed 380 km during 2017-20 versus 170 km road during 2018 and 2017. Bridges completed 14,450 meter length during 2014-20 versus 7,270 meter during 2018 and 14. Road tunnel completed 6 tunnel during 2014 and 20. Adal tunnel and Rohtak Pass Himachal Pradesh versus 1 tunnel during 2018 and 14. Funds were also divided from General Staff GS Road ICBR type of ICBR 73 ICBR 3,812 km 3,323.57 km were assigned BRO, which have been subdivided based their usage type of. China study group had identified road vital for defining whole LAC national level. Ministry of Defense had identified sub-national level, interstate and regional road vital of larger military logistic, which were assigned to CPWD, state BWD, ITBP, which man forward staging area frontier post on the LAC had identified strategic road of connect individual post of main trunk and arterial road of other roads including connecting interstate state level the work structure. ICBR divided among different agencies including National Building Construction Corporation NPCC, Central Public Works Department CPWD, National Project Construction Corporation NPCC, State Public Works Departments. List of ICBB road. Phase 1 consists of 3,812 km roads. The OSMB ID provide link to road on the status. ICB Road, Arunachal Pradesh. ICBR project coordination other government program has connected number of border outposts frontier area to be national highway network such as Kaziranga, Dakshin, Lamang, Chelling, etc. Major road project Arunachal Pradesh include Karsengla, Daksing, Lamang, Jelling, Kebitu and Diju. Geostrategic initiative include Andaman and Nicobar Command and Quadrilateral Security. Under the 2022-23 budget, Vibrant Village Border Area Development Plan, The budget of India intend repopulate, upgrade, establish 500 village near to zero line border along with the LAC from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. While China have already established 628 village by 2021 at cost of $6.4 billion with heavily subsidized telecommunication, internet, electricity and utilities according to the report out of 172 24 3G and 78 4G out of 236 village in Ladakh telecom connectivity. 19 border village had been no partial communication infrastructure. Border airport ALG project. People Liberation Army Western Theatre Command responsible for the defend China along with the whole line actual control with the Indian Armed Force has divided LAC into 3 sectors and western sector across Ladakh and Chinese control Akashin, central armed sector across Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, eastern sector across Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Indian Air Force Pragraj based Central Air Command, Delhi based Western Air Command, Shillong based Eastern Air Command cover to LAC. Ladakh Airport advanced landing ground at the Daulat Beg Oldie, Fuxi, Leh, Nyama, Padam, twice proposed Burma Valley. Himachal Pradesh share 250 km border with China. Airport including Shimla Airport, Kullu Manali Airport and proposed the Rank Creek. Uttarakhand has 350 km border with Tibet. Airport LG including Airport of Sikkim consists of Bangkok Airport. Arunachal Pradesh number of airport LG are to the Air Force Station of the Arunachal Pradesh. Proposed border bridge East River Road Bridge Sikkim already completed 2020 well sir sector. Teesta River Rail Bridge under construction July 2020. Target completion of December 2020. New bridge Brahmaputra River Assam will serve Arunachal Pradesh eastern sector. Rail border project. India Ministry of Defence MOD identify at least 50 new geostatic rail lines construction near China, Pakistan, Nepal border. Troop deployments. Comparison China bullet lines up to Tibet plan to connect Nepal further India. After these lines were proposed, Ministry of Defence in 2013, Government of India approved the initial survey all 14 line 2014. Some of these well other related geostrategic initiative include Andaman and Nicobar Command and Quadrilateral Security. Under the 2022-23 budget, Vibrant Village Border Area Development Plan, the budget of India intend repopulate, upgrade, establish 500 village near to zero line border along with the LAC from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh. While China have already established 628 village by 2021 at cost of $6.4 billion with heavily subsidized telecommunication, internet, electricity and utilities according to the report out of 172 24 3G and 78 4G out of 236 village in Ladakh telecom connectivity. 19 border village had been no partial communication infrastructure. Border airport ALG project. People Liberation Army Western Theatre Command responsible for the defend China along with the whole line actual control with the Indian Armed Force has divided LAC into 3 sectors and western sector across Ladakh and Chinese control Akashin, central armed sector across Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, eastern sector across Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Indian Air Force Pragraj based Central Air Command, Delhi based Western Air Command, Shillong based Eastern Air Command cover to LAC. Ladakh Airport advanced landing ground at the Daulat Beg Oldie, Fuxi, Leh, Nyama, Padam, twice proposed Burma Valley. Himachal Pradesh share 250 km border with China. Airport including Shimla Airport, Kullu Manali Airport and proposed the Rank Creek. Uttarakhand has 350 km border with Tibet. Airport LG including Airport of Sikkim consists of Bangkok Airport. Arunachal Pradesh number of airport LG are to the Air Force Station of the Arunachal Pradesh. Proposed border bridge East River Road Bridge Sikkim already completed 2020 well sir sector. Teesta River Rail Bridge under construction July 2020. Target completion of December 2020. New bridge Brahmaputra River Assam will serve Arunachal Pradesh eastern sector. Rail border project. India Ministry Defense MOD identify at least 50 new geostrategic rail lines construction near China, Pakistan, Nepal border. Troop deployments. Comparison China bullet lines up to Tibet plan to connect Nepal further India. After these lines were proposed, Ministry of Defense in 2013, Government of India approved the initial survey all 14 line 2014. Some of these well other related projects are the Ladakh, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Char Dham Highway at the Sikkim, Poo Cham Road. Both were announced September 2020. Addition ICBR Phase 1 and each will cost between inner 2000 crore to inner 3000 crore. Originating from NH 17 to 50 km long road. September 2021, India constructing 31 road tunnel up from 17 tunnel 100 km total length planned in 2017, 20 in JK and 11 in Ladakh. Combined cost inner 1.4 lakh crore US dollar, 17.5 billion include tunnel construction. Ministry of Road Transport and Highway MORTH. January 2023 tunnel project assigned bro 5 were complete, 9 were under construction, 6 Arunachal Pradesh, 4 Jammu and Kashmir, 1 Ladakh, 11 were DPR phase. Rest have been assigned other entities. PRO keep 27 mountain passes open and plan to bullet tunnel under all those that the traffic remain open throughout the year, and the army will save several hundred crore of rupees annually. Presently spent airlifting legislative supply. 13 highest motorable mountain passes world, 10 are in India and out of which is 8 are in Ladakh only. Out of 27 mountain passes maintained by PRO, tunnel being construction under the 11 and detailed project report, tunnel under 9 being tunnel will also be bullet under the remaining 7 mountain passes so that army can reach border faster pace with year around all weather connectivity through the all 27 passes. Some these tunnel have dual road rail usage, which is world largest 3 depth rail and road tunnel under the Brahmaputra. Modi government doubled the budget GS road general staff roads military BRO in 2 years, rupees 2,500 crore in 2021 to 21, rupees 3,500 crore in 2022 to 23, rupees 5,000 crore in 2023 to 24. BRO has been constructing tunnel the strategic ICBR road Sino-Indian border provide year round of all weather connectivity. Without this tunnel road access to high altitude posts, Sino-Indian border closed 6 months every year due to snowfall, rain and supplies are through airlift only. This tunnel will reduce travel time and operational cost of eliminate risk of avalanche and landslide. List of tunnel from west to east along Indo-Chinese border. Tunnel constructing Himalaya area have picked up phase of. Uttarakhand has 18 existing tunnel January 2023 and 66 more tunnel will be built in next 10 years. Some of which are already under construction, other are either DPR or planning phase. In May 2023, India had 1641 ongoing tunneling project, which is National Highway had 144 tunnel, 357 km costing rupees 2 lakh crore including 30 tunnel, 45 km completed, 16 in 120 km under the construction completed 2024 to 25, 54 192 km under the detailed project report of DPR. Sikkim route of road interactive map district length status of NH 154 Pathankot Jogendra Nagar Mandi highway upgraded to 4 lanes. 3 new tunnel Himachal Pradesh being upgraded 2025. Road 3 new tunnel between new 3 Nile over bridges, 8 bypass elsewhere upgraded. Char Dham Highway tunnel Uttarakhand under construction 2024. Road Char Dham Highway multiple road tunnel. Sagarmala Port Development Project and National Waterways Project will also enhance geostatic capability along with the LAC. Waterway Project Assam and Brahmaputra River tributaries are geostatic importance movement military asset. These include National Waterway 2 in river, under river tunnel, mobile and internet connectivity. 2020 June, it was announced 54 village Ladakh region including among 19 in Kargil, 11 in other, 7 in receive mobile phone connectivity, geo via satellite connected towers under the Universal Service Obligation Funding ESOF program. Radar, Doppler radar, Mukteshwar, Surkonda Devi, Uttarakhand. Air defense radar under construction at the Northeast Connectivity Project, Northeast Connectivity Project, Look East Connectivity Project, North, South and South East West Corridor, Indo-Myanmar, Thailand, Friendship Highway, BCM Economic Corridor, Asian Highway Network, list of bridge, Brahmaputra River. Thank you. Hi.